Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we got the Nintendo World Championship NES edition. This is the deluxe set. With this, you're gonna get more than what you paid for just the game. First off, you get the game. You also get the replica game pack. You know, that NES cartridge that everybody's been after. You get the pin set, and you get some art cards. So who is this game for? First off, you got speed run mode, so if you like speed running, that's going to be for you. And then you have a bunch of other tests that this game is going to give you. Now, party mode, you can play up to 4 people apparently. So what happened with this, I was not going to unbox this, I was not going to open it up, but the store I bought it from decided to put like that anti-theft, and then they put a sticker here that said that you couldn't return it. And then when I wanted to return it, because I didn't really notice any of that, they were like, nah, you can't return it. Anyways, so we got Kirby, we got Mario from Donkey Kong, we got Link from Zelda 2, we got Luigi, we got Icarus Kid, we got Excitebike, we got Link, we got Metroid. What else do we got up here? Get Icarus, and then you still got Mario up here, the old version of him. On the side, you just got the NES branding, World Championship. On the back, it goes over all the games, 13 NES games, 150 challenges from to choose. On the other side, same thing. On the back or on the bottom, it gives you that, and then red on top. So really not much on the outside. Cool artwork. I'm gonna open this up. Not really open, and some people like those stickers outside. I personally don't. Alright, so this is the game. It does feel really light. Nothing much on the back, kind of the same thing as the box itself. That looks pretty cool. Let's put that right here. And then I'm pretty sure here you got what? Your pins. Let's open that up later. Let's open this up later. And then there's something else down there. It's kind of heavy. That's probably the stand. And then you get another box over here, and then let's pull this stand out, and then nothing else inside that box. Okay, so here we have the stand. It's in glass. It's pretty hefty, and it has the Nintendo branding right there on the bottom. That looks pretty cool if you ask me. There you go. All right. Now let's move this. Let's open this guy up. It doesn't tell you what's inside from outside, so you're gonna have to open them up. Nothing. Just kidding, there has to be something in here. Ooh, those are your pins. So let's get a close-up of those pins. There you got Mario getting a mushroom. Here you got Link with the Triforce. That looks pretty cool. You got the NES edition pin. You got Samus trying to get that morph ball from Metroid. And you got Donkey Kong DK right there. Pretty cool, and they're like kind of gold color. That's pretty nice. All right, let's put this back in the box. Should I just put it like this so you can see it? I'm pretty sure nobody wants to see what the game looks like, but I'll still open it up here later. So here are your playing cards, I suppose. Oh, that's pretty cool. So you got Mario, Link, Samus, Donkey Kong. Why is he upside down? Probably fell, busted his head. Oh, I got the password pack. Kid Icarus. Mario 2, that's pretty cool. I like that game. Fun fact, Super Mario Bros. 2 was not actual Mario 2 game, or it wasn't a Mario game. It was just kind of rebadged to be a Mario game. Excitebike. There you go. Ice Climber. Balloon Fight. I think I never played this game. Mario Bros. agree. This game right here, this game brought a lot of fights in my house. We fought a lot over this game. The Adventures of Link, Zelda 2. I've really never been able to play this game. Honestly, I like Zelda, I like Link, I like playing games, you know, Zelda related. But I just can't play Link 2. The Mario, the Lost Levels, I can't play this game too. It just gets my stress levels up. In Kirby, I like Kirby. Alright. Alright. Here's the most anticipated one. So this is cool. It does kind of feel like the old one, but to me, the old one were like, they were a bit more like stronger. Like this is kind of like cardboardish. I think the old ones were like plastic. Maybe I'm wrong, but it's been a while since I've held on to one of those. Back in the day, we had an NES at home, and when the NES we had, the Super Nintendo was already out, so we were like a generation behind. So at least we had one. That's what counts, and we were able to play a bunch of games. There you have that. That looks pretty nice. I think you could put can you put the game in here? No, you can't. Well, there you go on the top. Nintendo World Championship NES edition. Yeah, this looks cool. This brings back memories. If y'all remember the old Zelda game, it came like this in gold. That's pretty nice. I had that game, and I think they had like something back. Ooh, wait a minute. I didn't even see this back here. Oh, that's nice. There you got a mushroom, a sword. What is that? Energy from Metroid. Got some meat right there, bow. Got that Mario 2. What is that? Radish. We got the podium from Excite Bike. What you got there? What is that? I don't even know what that looks like. It looks like a, I don't know, balloon. Oh, you know that. That is that suit you get with the little tail. You go. Bloop, 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 bloop. You get the key. Another mushroom. Is that a 1-up? You get a medal. Is that what it is? I don't even know what that is. Can't even really see. I need my glasses. For a minute, I thought that said Nintendo. What does that say? Oh, it is Nintendo. It just looks weird. It looked to me. It looked like it said Nintendo. From right there, it says Nintendo. Anyways, all right. Let's open up this game because I am going to play this. Boom. Oh, there it is. All right, cool. Good thing that I opened it up. There's some cool things in here. You get some more pins. I think you get those in game when you win. Oh yeah, the frog. That's pretty cool. I remember that guy. And there's the game right there. Wouldn't it be cool like if they made this in gold? Like you're gonna go all out. You might as well go all out, right? Make that in gold. Dude, that would be like one of the most sought after games. Like this version right here, just this one, the deluxe set, make this gold. That would be crazy. You know, like people out, whenever this gets like maybe 10, 12 years old, people will be looking for this because it will be the only one in gold. Yeah, they kind of missed that one. You know, like if everybody was sitting down, somebody had like a bright idea. My bright idea would be to make this cartridge gold. I mean, like gold color, not actual gold. Well, there you have it, gents and ladies. Here is what you get in the deluxe set from the NES World Championship Edition. People, if you like this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up because that sets the algorithm on YouTube so other people can see this video. If you like the content, please leave a comment down below on what you liked and what you didn't like. Please don't leave me a thumbs down. Just comment down there what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button so you guys could see videos when I pull them out. It'll give you that notification that the video is out. New videos. I'm trying to make at least 2 videos every week on random things. That's my channel. I do jack of all trades. I do a little bit of everything. Anyways, thanks for watching again and have a great day. See you on the next video.